Another night falls, and I gaze at the moon so bright. Saw a distant star and thought of your light, stuck inside these four walls for most of this long year. Thought a few drinks might help it all disappear. It's been a while now, months since you walked away, dealing with the karma of each passing day. Still holding back these tears for all the world to see, while my brethren and sistren feeling free. This year started different, back in that sunrise glow. Now I step in this bar and the sadness starts to flow. Every melody plays like an echo of your name, and I feel that lump form in my throat just the same. 'Cause I'm here alone,